And to formally start the program, please stand still for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Mr. Dominic Gumamela, Teacher 1 from MAPA Department, followed by a prayer, I See You Lord, to be led by Miss Angela Vaya B. Paico, student with high honors.